Robert from Digital Storm, and today I'm going to be showing off our new Bolt 2 computer. So the Bolt 2 is our brand new system. We're just launching this in about 3 weeks from now. And we're actually launching this as a hybrid Steam machine. So it's going to come with Windows 8.1, but we're also going to have SteamOS available as an option for people to play, so they can use both operating systems and kind of enjoy the experience of both different environments. So it's something we're really proud to bring this to market. You know, it's a very high-end system. We have a lot of great technology and components in here. This system, first off, we're running a 240 millimeter liquid cooler. So the nice thing with this is we get a ton of great cooling, but more importantly, we can spin these fans down nice and slow, still get great cooling, and get very little noise. Because no one wants to hear their computer shrieking or screaming and having to turn up the volume to kind of, get rid of fan noise. So that's something we really focused in on. Also focused in on making sure that it's easy to operate, or easy to upgrade. So, changing out the radiator or cleaning it, just simple screws, very easy to remove this panel. Same thing with the hard drives, just a few screws and this can pop out, people can get to their drives. Changing memory, you just pop a normal panel off just like any sort of desktop system. And all your RAM is right here, there's nothing in the way, there's no headaches or annoyances. And we flip it around, and we've got a GTX 780 Ti video card in this particular unit. But we can do Titan or anything else that we want. It's got a 700 watt power supply in the higher end, and then the entry-level models start with a 500 watt power supply. So it can support a lot of video cards. We wanted to make sure that it would be very easy to upgrade. So just a few screws, this plate bolts off, video card comes with it, and it's no fuss. It's something that's really easy to get in there. So the big thing again with this is we really wanted to focus on airflow and design. So we put a lot of attention to make sure that there's lots of venting. So up here we have this nice large array of vents. Same thing for the video card. On our side panels we have a lot of venting, and for our radiator. So all of those get nice cool air and get any hot air out of the system before it becomes a problem. And to help it stay nice and cool, we've actually developed, if you can zoom in right here, this is our Hydrolux thermal control board. So this has 5 temperature probes hidden all throughout the system, and that actively monitors temperatures in the system and can adjust the internal fans based on that. And it can be set directly through Windows, so if customers want to set it on automatic, they can leave it. If they want to change it to manual, ramp the fan speeds down, or crank them all the way up, it gives a level of flexibility that is really great to have in a system like this. We also can control LED lighting too, so we have an LED strip on the other side that it's not installed in this particular unit, but it would run right along here. And that can be color changed, turned on, turned off. The brightness can be controlled really easily from our custom software in Windows. So just another one of those things, if you're going to buy a system like this, we want to develop features and deliver a product set that it's not something you can just go to the store and build yourself. No, I mean, on that note, the chassis itself is, our engineers designed this from the ground up. In-house. It's not something that we've got from another manufacturer, we've tweaked it, put our logo on it or anything. This was engineered, CAD, built and everything in-house. It's all fabricated in America from a local metal fabrication shop. So we really pride ourselves on designing something that is like nothing else on the market, and really caters to what an enthusiast or a nice high-end system like this should be, something bespoke and custom, and more than just the sum of its parts.
And what's the estimated price and availability?
Availability is going to be the next 3 weeks or so, pretty much right at the end of January. And the price point of these is going to be starting around $1,500 and going up to $2,500 plus, depending on what hardware and options people want to put inside of it.
Is that the same unit over here?
Yes. And we also have horizontal stands on the bottom of it, so if people want to put it into a media center area or lay it flat, you can do so without creating any thermal issues.